today we are going to work on making a permission slip. So the materials you need are a small piece of paper or any surface you want to work on, something to add color, and then any embellishments you might want to add. So you can do this really quickly by first just thinking of a word, that gives you permission to think the way you want to think. I'm going to do enjoy. I decided to do these stamps today, but you can write it with a crayon, a marker. You can use collage, however you want to work. What you're going to do is think of what you want to give yourself permission to do. All right, so I've got enjoy on mine, and then I can add some color and detail. Whatever's going to catch my eye as I go about my day. So what I'm going to do is place this where I will see it to remind myself that I've given myself permission to bring some enjoyment in. Whoops! Oh, my pen kind of did something funny there. That happens. Sometimes when you're creating, you get an invitation from the materials themselves. So when things don't go the way that I want them to, can I still stay in a playful state? Can I still enjoy? I'll make sure I let that dry. Add some of these dots. So it doesn't take long to make something that can give you permission. Now, if you have a little bit more time, I did this one with paints and added some collage detail to it. I had a little extra time, so I worked on that. So what do you want to give yourself permission to do today? I can't wait to see what you create.